Now we are learning last option this chapter, thesaurus. Page number 44. Using thesaurus. Firstly, what is thesaurus? Thesaurus helps to improve our vocabulary by providing a list of synonyms and antonyms. By the use of thesaurus option, you can see synonyms and antonyms of the word. Let's see how to find synonyms and antonyms and what is the use of thesaurus option. So here, suppose you want to analyze night word for getting synonyms and antonyms of night. Select night option, select night word, then click on review tab. Click on review tab. In review tab, click on thesaurus option. Thesaurus option shortcut key shift plus F7. Here MS Word also provide thesaurus suggest other words with a similar meaning to the word you have selected. By the use of thesaurus, you get similar meanings of the word. Click on this thesaurus option. Here MS Word provide right side of the window one task panel, research option. In here research option, you research on night word. See here, night. Here noun. Here thesaurus night word, noun is night time. Night time, hours of darkness, dark, similar word, and opposite word or antonyms, day. Now you want night. You want to replace night with night time. Then click on night time. Click on night time. In night time, right side this arrow, insert. You can see night replaced with night time. Suppose you want to this word in other place, again back, hours of darkness. What is the meaning of hours of the darkness? Hour of darkness means night hours. Then click on copy option, put cursor here, then go on home tab, then paste. You can see hours of darkness. By the use of thesaurus option, you can get antonyms and synonyms. Suppose you want to this antonyms, day, antonyms of night. Then click on this day, copy. When you click insert, then insert this word on cursor position. See here on cursor position. Suppose you want to different place, then copy this word, put cursor to your desired place. Suppose you want to here umbrella, between umbrella and kite, click here, then go on home tab, then click paste option. So by the use of thesaurus option, you can get synonyms and antonyms of the word. Now recap of this chapter. What is the meaning of MS Word? MS Word application opens a blank document with temporary name document word. When you open MS Word, always open a blank document with temporary name document1. You can save your file, then you can provide name. What is the meaning of editing? Making change in a document is called editing. You can also perform any action for editing, copying, moving and finding and replacing of the text. MS Word provides suggestion for incorrect spelling. Incorrectly spelled words are indicated with a red baby line. Red line indicate incorrect word, means spelling mistake, and green line is provide grammatical error indication. Grammatical error are indicated with a green baby line. Now this chapter finished. Okay.